non-exclusive province. A province is a so, provinces, for example, nakalagay sa province of Surigao del Sur. So, ang province of Surigao del Sur is na-assign cities, municipalities, and barangay. And then, ang municipalities, our cities, is like, for example, Tanal City. Tanal City, Bukong City, Surigao City, and Davao City, and so on. And then,
Uy, ang attendance may
for
magkuhan.
example, kami, municipality of Cortez.
Ya, wala nga di.
Municipality of Bayabas, Municipality of San Agustin. Ang municipality sa Vizcaya sa Trinidad ng mga barangays. Then, ang kabuuan ng municipalities, ang kabuuan ng cities, municipalities, and barangays, muna siyang tawag ng provinces. Province. Cities. A city is similar to a municipality, but is more organized and very spread. So, a city is urbanized and very. So, for now, na siya tulo. First, highly urbanized cities. Third, cities. So, ang highly urbanized cities is only the city has experienced significant growth and developed with a high concentration of population and economy. So, for example, ang
Start
Davao
na
City,
bumabalik
only siya ang highly
sa
urbanized
UTC.
city kaya yan ang makita na nagkalayo na establishment. Lalo pa, component city and locality or a cluster of barangays may be converted into component city. So, ang component cities, ang municipality of barangays, i-convert siya into one. Then, ang independent component cities, the word independent cities, one can stand alone. Makastand siya na siya da. Municipalities. Municipalities consist of a number of barangays and serve primarily as general purpose government for the coordination and delivery of its regular and direct services within its directions. So, ang municipality, kung ang cities na concept siya o municipalities, yung municipalities sa concept siya o barangays. So, ang general purpose is to serve the basic and regular direction services within its directions. So, for example, kung na yung mga basic needs ang mga tao sa barangay, hindi sila dapat direct doon sa province, kung dili mo doon sila